Okay. So yesterday, you were working with Mrs. Knapp on the splitting strategy, right?
Yeah.
Who remembers what the splitting strategy is? Kenna?
Wait, yesterday?
She wasn't.
I wasn't here.
You weren't here yesterday? Oh, so you might learn something new today. If you have any questions, let me know.
So, if we had like 22. Wait.
You wrote
Yeah, I did it. I know.
So if we had like 15 times 5, we would do. How did we do it again? So like if we had we did a box. And then we split fives. And then you put it down that way. Wait, you had 10, 5, 5. And then you had.
So what you're saying, Taylor, is you took the 15 and you split it into 10 and into 5, right?
Yeah, and then you would add all these up.
So you're doing 10 groups of 5.
Yeah, 10
And
times
then
5.
5 times 100. And then 50 times 5. Or 50 plus.
And that's how you get 55.
You got 55. That's not the real answer.
Okay. I think we need to go back and revisit this a little bit.
Oh, we forgot to add these
10.
ones too.
Okay, so let's work,
15.
Emma, we're gonna start over because I think
Times 5.
we all need a little review on this.
No, we didn't do that.
So let's say we have the problem 19 times 7. Do you know off the,
Hi, Haley.
do you know off the top of your head what 19 times 7 is?
No.
Haley, if you want to have a seat right here and grab a marker, we're working on the splitting strategy.
It is 60.
I don't think any of us know what 19 times 7 is off the top of our
I
heads.
think I know, actually. You take like 1, it's 60. 30, and 60 times 10 equals 60. 30.
Well, let's look at 19. How can we break 19 down to make it a more manageable number?
10,
I see McKenna over there working on it. Emma, you say 10 and 9, right?
Yeah.
So why did you pick 10?
Because we all know how
It's-
we do our 10.
It's an easy number. We all know our 10s, right? Okay. So after we break it down, we can do 10 times. What do I need to multiply the 10 by? Emma, I see you're writing it down.
10 times 7.
10 times 7. What do we need to multiply our 9 by?
9 times 7.
What's 10 times 7? Haley, what's 10 times 7?
70. 70?
Who knows what 9 times 7 is? We've been working on our 9. 63? So now what do I need to do with these two numbers? I have 70 and I have 63. What do I need to do with them? Taylor, what'd you say? Add them? So 70 plus 63.
I got it.
What is it, Emma?
Also do that.
Does everyone agree with Emma?
Yes.
You all think it's 133? I agree. Okay, let's work on another one. Isaac and Haley, did that make sense?
Wait, so all we're doing is this?
Wait.
We're working on that and then we're gonna play a little game.
No, because we're all
I
doing
get
it. We don't
this.
take turns. With the marker.
I know this.
So Haley, what you're doing is the area model, right?
Yeah.
This is very similar to the area model.
This is all I know.
But easier.
And the constant robots.
Okay, so let's work with another one. 13 times 6. Who can tell me the first step? Taylor, I see you working, splitting it up right now. Can you tell me what you're doing?
I split the 13 into 10 and 3.
Okay, so first we need to split the 13 into 10 and 3. Then what? Who can tell me the next step? McKenna?
Then you do 3 times 6, which would get you to 18. Got it.
Okay. Isaac, what do I need to do next?
I don't know.
I've split this into 10 into 3. Okay. So 10 plus 3 equals 13, right? We all agree? So we multiply the 3 times 6. Don't we still need to multiply the 10 times 6?
Somebody,
Wait.
You're saying 10 times 6 equals 78, or are you a step ahead? I think you're a step ahead. Isaac, I agree, 60. So Haley, what do I need to do with the 60 and the 18?
add them.
And what do you get?
78.
Did anyone get a different answer? I see you agree with Haley. Does everyone agree with Haley? Isaac, what'd you get?
78.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm pretty fast at doing this.
I'm pretty fast answering.
Okay, let's do 9 times 17. McKenna,
You would break down 17 into 10 and 7.
does everyone agree with McKenna?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what do I do? Who can tell me besides McKenna? Taylor, what's my next step? I broke down 17 to 10 and 7. Now what do I do with them? Do I do 10 times?
10 times 9.
10 times 9. What does that equal? Everyone.
90.
Okay, now what do I do?
You there's 9 times, wait, 7 times 9.
You can tell me what 7 times 9 is.
60.
Does everyone agree it's 63?
Yes.
Okay, now what do I do?
You just add those.
So 90 plus 63. What do I get? Does everyone agree with 153?
Yeah.
Haley?
I'm still, yeah.
I didn't get it, but I know success. Yes, agreed.
Okay. Who wants to give me another one?
I
Haley.
do. 11 times 16.
Let's just do a single digit for the second number. Can you give me a number from 1 to 9? How about not 1, because we know that. But
2 to 9.
now, and then when we do our 11s, do we really need to use the splitting strategy, or do you all just know your 11s?
I know our 11.
You all know your 11s really well. So let's do 16. That's the second number you gave me,
If it's
Haley.
11 times
16
9, all
times.
9 times 1.
7.
Okay, 16 times 7. What do I do? What do I do, McKenna?
You split 16 into 10 and 6.
Okay, I split my 16 into 10 and 6. Now what? Isaac, I have my 16 split into 10 into 6. Do you see why I did that? Because 10's easier to work with, right? Now what do I do?
I think we've already done this one already.
I know if you go the other way.
Do I need to multiply my 10 times 7? Right? Emma, what do I need to do next? I multiply my 10 and my 7. What else do I need to multiply?
6.
What's 10 times 7? McKenna, what's 6 times 7?
6 and 7 is 42.
6 times 7 is 42? What's 10 times 7?
70.
What do I need to do now, Emma?
Add them.
The answer is 112.
Okay, I agree, Haley. All right, do we need to do one more, or do you all think you have it? Isaac, do you want to do one more? Why don't you give me a number? Let's do one more, last one.
Can I pick one?
I already got it, but
Give me one number, and Emma will give me a number. Give me a number from 12 to 19.
18.
18. All right, good. We haven't done 18. Emma, give me a number from 2 to 9.
9.
18 times 9. Okay, what do I need to do? Taylor, what do I need to do first?
Break 18 and 10.
Okay, Isaac, we broke the 18 into 10 and 8. Do you agree with that? Okay. So now what do we do with our 10? Okay. Everyone, what's 10 times 9?
To 90.
Okay, now what do I need to do? McKenna?
You need to do 8 times 9,
What is that?
72.
Now what do I do? Kaylee, what do I do? I have 72 and I'm 90. Okay. What do I my answer?
162.
Good, I agree. So do you see why we need to split up our 18? Did any of you know off the top of your head what 18 times 9 is? I didn't know it.
No, I just know 8
Yeah.
times 72.
But when you break it down, you know, just like Isaac said, you know 8 times 9 is 72. We know those math facts. And we know that 10 times 9 is 90, right? So when we break it down, all we have to do is add the 72 and the 90. And adding 72 and 90 in our head is a lot easier than trying to multiply 18 by 9. Don't you agree?
I already knew that on the top of my
I'm
head.
pretty sure I
You-
just turned the table pink.
Oh, that's okay. It'll wash. They can clean it. Okay. So next, we're going to play a game called Pathways. Yes.
Yeah, I haven't learned that yet.
You haven't learned? Has anyone played this game yet?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not that I remember.
Okay. We're going to have a group of 3 play and a group of 2 play. So Isaac and Haley, I'm going to let you 2 play.
Are you going to play?
I am going to help because we are 1 game board short. Otherwise, I would play. It's a different game board, yeah. Haley, can you grab some transparent chips, please? We're 1 short.
Yeah. I think
Okay.
it seems like you don't even want to be my partner.
So the point of the game is you are going to try to get your chips from the start. So from this side, either 18, 28, 30, or 9. And you're going to try to get corresponding numbers that touch and go across so that you're on the opposite side of the board.
Don't we need die for this?
No. So let's work 1 together. So,
Oh, I do remember playing this game.
do you remember? You probably played it with smaller numbers before. So what you're going to do is you're going to use these numbers at the bottom and you're going to multiply them.
So, like, I did that.
So Emma, let's say you are going to go first.
So I would put 2 chips on 7.
Okay, so you're going to multiply 7 times 8. What's 7 times 8?
56.
Do you agree with her?
The
Okay, exactly. So then she would put on 56. Now she wants to get all of her numbers to be in a row. So what numbers? No, you want them in a row from one end to the other. Yes, that can work. So 4 that are touching. So if you were on 56, what other number would you want to get? Yep, that would work.
It's like,
So did that make sense, Isaac and Haley?
Yes.
Okay. So Emma, go ahead and start for your team. Haley, go ahead and start for your team.
Okay.
5 times 6
8
equals
and
35.
And we're going to write out the equations as we're doing it.
It's 40.
5 times 6 equals 30. Taylor, your turn.
And the first one to get their chips in a row is the winner.
10 times 8 is... I didn't want to do that 56. So are all our boards the same?
They are.
8 times 6 equals 48.
So we only need to move 1 chip then. So I think that's how it works. Like we can only
Your
move
juice?
1 chip. 4 times 6
Write it out.
24.
I did.
For some reason, I keep doing that like 4 times 6 is 24. I do that. So can it like be shorter ones, like
It needs to be 4.
at least 4?
Mm-hmm. Okay, Taylor, your turn for your team.
6 times.
And we only have about a few more minutes to play this, and then we are going to work on our reflex math.
For some reason, I said Lexia. I got confused. Okay, good,
My turn?
Lexia.
Do we just use these two?
You can use any of the multiples at the bottom of
But
your
I can
board.
only move 1 chip.
One chip?
You can
Yeah.
only move one.
Go and move 1.
4
I know,
times
it's hard.
8 is
5 times
32.
8. 5 times 8 is 40.
So can we do the same exact equations if we want? And we can did like you got 40, so we can have
That would be okay. If you play in partners and share a board, then you can do that. But you can do that since we're working in bigger groups today.
Hmm.
4 times 3 equals 12.
Isaac, write out your equations. I know what you're doing. Haley, can you write out your equations too?
I did.
Oh, you did. I'm sorry. Yes.
3 times 4 is 12.
4 times 8.
Now I just need 25.
You need to know.
3 times 8. 3 times 8 equals 24.
6 in each.
Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure.
Okay.
Okay, I am going to have to stop you all there because we need time to get our reflex math in. So we're going to stop there. Let's clean up the game boards. And then for your last 10 minutes, I want you to log into your reflex math to practice your multiplication
I
fluency.
Get your own sock. You put that on there. Because I was finishing my turn.
Haley, can you clean up quickly, please? Because we only have 10 minutes left to get your reflex math in.
She said it was
Thank you all for playing so quietly and working together. I really appreciate it.
I was finishing at my turn and I got 25. So
Oh, good. So
I
you got your
won.
4 in a row.
Yep.
Great.
I thought it was supposed to be 5. No,
Sometimes I
it's
don't
all the way across.
I don't care if I don't win sometimes. That's what game it is. This game, I don't win.
Okay, let's grab the computer because, like I said, we only have a little less than 10 minutes left. Haley, thank you for helping me clean up.
She needs a
Yep.
Chromebook.
I need a Chromebook.
We're one short.
I'm already logged in. I'm just waiting for you.
How are you doing that?
Okay, so today we worked on our splitting strategy. Then we learned the pathways game, and we are going to finish up our lesson with your reflex math for the last 10 minutes. So thank you all for working so hard. I really appreciate it.